In this video, I will show you how to add people to private servers on Roblox. So first of all, go to the game where you have a private server on. In my case, that's this game. So I'm going to click on this game. And then from here, I'm going to click on servers. And then I will see my private server in here. And as you can see, there is no one in this private server yet. And if you want to add people, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the three dots in here and then click on configure. And once you click on this, you will see the server members in here again. But right now you will see this add people button in here. And if you want to add friends to your server, then make sure that this option is enabled, and that is the option to enable friends joining your server. So go ahead and click on add people in here. And then right now you can just enter the username of the person that you want to add in here. So right now you can just enter a username. So just go ahead and fill something in, and then you need to click on this person and then click on add down below, and then you will add this person to your Roblox private server. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.